This is a must-see. Trump just said something about XRP and Bitcoin. What you should know. Although the structural integrity of his brain is in question, former President Donald Trump, whose business history is littered with complaints, is the best person to spot a con. Bills that haven't been paid and shady financial dealings. Trump slammed the media in an interview with Fox Business. Bitcoin is a risky digital currency. Bitcoin just seems like a ripoff, Trump said. I don't like it because it's a competing currency with the dollar. Today, we'll look at what Donald Trump has said about Bitcoin and other major cryptocurrencies, such as Ethereum and XRP. We'll also talk about XRP price predictions, so make sure to watch the video all the way through. XRP Hut here, your daily dose of the crypto. If you're curious about everything, this is the place to be. This is the place for you. If you want to stay up to date with what's going on in the world, please subscribe. Stay up to date on all XRP news, forecasts, and predictions to stay one step ahead in the crypto world. To be certain to receive all the news, please hit that thumbs up, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Let's see how XRP is doing. The price of XRP is on the verge of reviving, but it has yet to do so. With a daily close above 73 cents on July 29, XRP price triggered a double bottom pattern. The 50-day SMA was easily surpassed, and the staggering resistance framed by the 200-day SMA was reached, around 77 cents. The SMA and the neckline of the multi-year inverse head and shoulders pattern intersect. The price of XRP has been drifting lower over the last 5 sessions, indicating a correction. In terms of time versus price, and confirming a firm underlying bid for Ripple, the measured move of the Ripple double bottom pattern is just over 30%, suggesting a price target. Based on a pattern trigger price of 73 cents, the price is 95 cents. The goal isn't too high, but it's not too low either. The psychologically significant $1 and the 38.2% retracement act as resistance. $1.06 is the level of the April-June correction. To achieve the price target for the measured move, and the higher resistance between $1 and $1.06 must be overcome by the XRP price. 783 cents is the 200-day SMA. A close above the moving average on a daily basis would be a good starting point. To initiate or add to an existing Ripple position, it would put Ripple on track for a 36% increase from the moving average to $1.06 and place it in a position to herald the start of a new bull market. If the price correction process for XRP shifts, Ripple should maintain weakness to the confluence of the 50-day SMA despite being in time at 660 cents, with a low of 652 cents on May 23. If those levels are breached, the bullish outlook is jeopardized. On hold, increasing the chances of a new correction low. Let us now return to our original topic. Donald Trump, the former president of the United States, told Fox News he doesn't like Bitcoin because he sees it as a competitor to the dollar. According to the business, in the interview, Trump stated, "Bitcoin just seems like a scam. It bothers me because it's a different currency that competes with the dollar. It is, in essence, a competing currency. In comparison to the US dollar, I want the dollar to be the world's currency." With his remarks, Trump demonstrated that he recognizes Bitcoin for what it is, a currency. As a result, he is concerned that the dollar will lose its global dominance status as a reserve currency. President of the United States, George W. Bush, was also a former president of the United States. Inquired about his stock market holdings despite the fact that he had previously revealed this, he did so now. He has previously invested in the American stock market, but he is not doing so now. Is excessively high. Trump's assessment of the situation and his response. The rise of Bitcoin contrasts sharply with El Salvador's president's recent announcement that its country will declare Bitcoin legal tender. A demonstration at the national level there's a lot of money at stake. As a result, this demonstrates that countries that are not financially sovereign may be enticed to adopt Bitcoin based on game theory and benefit from it before those who control solid fiat currencies around the world. The entire world, by recognizing Bitcoin's potential to dethrone the current king. Leaders around the world are faced with two options when it comes to the dollar as the world's reserve currency: to oppose it or to embrace it, despite the fact that financially self-sufficient countries such as, although the United States can try to combat it, it may prove to be a futile exercise in the long run, due to the fact that Bitcoin is a decentralized, hard digital currency that no president or regulator can control. El Salvador's decision to adopt it ahead of a potential global Bitcoin accumulation race. After all, going around the world might be the better strategy. Predictions for the price of XRP in the short term. Ripple experts believe that it has the potential to increase in value from less than $1 to around $14. However, if we look at a longer time frame such as 10 years, Ripple could be anywhere between from $26 to $100. This would ultimately depend on a number of factors, but it is a forecast. It can change in response to market conditions. Regardless, It's worth noting that when given the volatility of the crypto market, anything could happen in the next 10 years. The liquidity of the crypto market ensures that all coins benefit from the price surge. There are peaks and valleys. XRP is expected to reach new highs in the near future, and traders are anticipating this will have numerous opportunities to observe how Ripple evolves in the years ahead. Ripple has big plans for the future, so it could be a great long-term investment. One of these objectives is to replace SWIFT, which is widely regarded as the industry standard. One of the most common methods of sending money internationally is through wire transfers. The cryptocurrency market is constantly changing, and keeping up with it may require you to change your strategy. Daily routines to keep track of price changes. Ripple has the potential to be a fantastic investment. However, keep in mind the nature of the crypto world. It can surprise you in the long run. Should I invest in Ripple? Investing in Ripple could pay off in the long run because its value is expected to rise up, surprise, and add value to the market. It could even turn out to be a haven for investors. However, it can also be a dangerous game to play. No one can predict what will happen, but being cautious when purchasing cryptocurrencies can help. It's possible that being cautious will suffice. Ripple is part of the cryptocurrency market, is said to have a bright future ahead of it, so buying XRP might be a good idea. Any cryptocurrency investment can be risky because the market is unpredictable. Everyone who was involved when it comes to reading, it's all fun and games. In addition to learning about different cryptos and conducting research, but actually participating in the crypto market is a big step. You should not take this step without first researching various trading strategies. Traders must have a clear idea of which coin they want to trade and whether or not this particular coin is worth trading. If the coin is Ripple, they should keep an eye on price forecasts and fluctuations. Ripple is a good investment, despite its volatility, resolving issues with the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. The value is expected to rise up. As a result, Ripple is regarded as a great investment. Ripple has lofty ambitions for the future, so may turn out to be a fantastic long-term investment. One of these objectives is to replace SWIFT as a financial messaging system that is widely regarded as the gold standard for sending money internationally. Transactions are sent in a variety of ways. The cryptocurrency market is always evolving. To keep up with it, you may need to alter your daily routine to keep track of how prices change. Ripple has the potential to be a fantastic long-term investment, but keep in mind the risks. The crypto world's nature can astound you. That's all I've got for today. Finally, we'd like to point out that this is not a channel dedicated to providing financial advice. This is simply a conduit for bringing people together. Educational content delivered right to your door. With that in mind, think twice before investing in anything. We recommend that you conduct extensive, broad-spectrum research on the subject. Guys, that concludes today's video. Also, don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up on XRP HUD. We'll see you next time.